Our passion at Productive Environment Institute is to help you accomplish your work and enjoy your life. Last week I talked about eliminating the clutter from your workplace. I truly hope you are happy with your progress. Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill. This week I want to talk about fun things you can add to your workplace to spark joy. Many years ago I met a woman at a network meeting who made a comment I often hear. "Oh, you'd just die if you saw my office." Truthfully, I think the only thing about my work that I don't like is people thinking that I'm waiting to judge them. After all, it's their life, not mine, and I have no right or desire to judge. After several months, Mary finally invited me into her condo, and I have to admit I was shocked. Today, nothing would shock me. It was obvious that the process of making her office a productive environment was going to take some time, and I was concerned that she was going to get discouraged. As we were working, we found a completely filthy fish bowl. She shared that she just loved fish. The next time I came to her office, I brought her some fish, and we cleaned up the fish bowl until it sparkled. She was thrilled, and it proved to be a source of great encouragement as we progressed on her journey. Often we deprive ourselves of any joy, feeling we first have to pay the price. In my experience, that's a mistake and a missed opportunity. My office is full of items that I've been given through the years, but the key word is intentional. They are not there just because someone gave them to me and I don't want to seem ungrateful by getting rid of them. They are there because they tell a story that brings me joy. If you've been around me for very long, you've probably known that for decades I was known as the Paper Tiger Lady, and I collected tiger paraphernalia. Much of it I've given away, but one piece of artwork that was given to me by Joe Polish sits above my desk and always makes me smile. I put a copy of the interview we did so you can listen to that if you like. He's a great interviewer. Here's another idea. You can use your finding system, our version of a filing system, to bring joy as well. How about a file called Day Trip Ideas for a spur-of-the-moment adventure? Or I remember a client who had a file she labeled Warm Fuzzies. She said it was for those days when everything seemed to go wrong and she wanted to remember there were better days ahead. For years, I used a beautiful shell-shaped napkin holder for my outbox. Remember that grimy paperclip container I talked about last week? How about something beautiful that you haven't used in years from someplace else in your home you can use instead? What can you do to make your workplace more productive and more joyful? Thanks for listening.